Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the Maf sensor fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always guys test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the Maf sensor fuses guys, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate that on this generation Toyota Corolla right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes in that car. Today we'll be working 2 fuse boxes. We will need to check up to 14 fuses. You wonder why? Because the Maf sensor, it's not listed anywhere as a specific fuse, but it's part of the EFI system. That's the electronic fuel injection system. So it's one of these fuses, but it's unknown exactly which one. That's why we will list them and check each one of them. One of them will be for the Maf sensor. First you need to open the driver door. Once you do that, come under the dash on the left side. Look upside down. On the bottom of the dash you will find one white cover like this one. Pop it open. Behind it it's the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the Maf sensor fuse, where you can expect to find it. Here we need to check 4 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check quite a few more guys, up to 10. Now make sure to stay until the end. That's fuse 1 through 16, that's 17 through 32, and here if you come guys, that's fuse number 3 that we need to check right there. Then you need to check fuse number, that's 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So give me a second. 17, 18, 19, 21, 2, 3, 24, 25 will need to be checked, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 29, right there. Next you need to open the hood on your Toyota Corolla. Once you open the hood, facing the engine on the right side under this cover, you have a fuse box that will look like this one. And if you guys, by the way, need to buy a Maf sensor, fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. And here for the Maf sensor we need to check fuse number 3, fuse number 6, fuse number 10, you may have fuse number 11 here, fuse number 12 will need to be checked. Then you need to check 29, 30, 31, 32, and you may even have fuse number 37, some of you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.